So how can you bring your cursor down when you're typing on the iPhone? Let me explain how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials which I don't want you to miss. Now, whenever you are, for example, typing in your notes within the Notes app, if you want to move your cursor down, like you can technically grab it and move it around the available areas, right? Because if you have like multiple words or paragraphs, you can move it around it and even between the rows. However, if you sort of like didn't unlock the next row below, you will have to click on the enter key on your keyboard, right? So you click on this and it's just going to go down and then down, right? So it just unlocks or makes more rows available, if that makes sense. Now, you can as well just grab the cursor like this with your finger and you can move it around more areas of the node, right? So that's kind of how it works. Keep in mind, however, that you can also hold it down on the space key on your keyboard like this, and then you can move your finger to the areas of your notes and move around it as much as you like. And again, if you want to move it even below that, you will need to tap on the enter key again. So it can go down like that, and that's how you can essentially do this. So that's all I wanted to explain. Naturally, in a different applications, it is going to work a bit different, so keep that in mind. But that is going to be about it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.